Urban heat island effect is a growing problem in cities across the U.S., but especially in Phoenix, Arizona, due to the already high temperatures throughout the warmer months. Augmented reality can be an interesting and non-intimidating method to approach the issue by creating an engaging art installation that reminds people of how we can be more mindful of the way our structures impact our environment. In this project, I collected thermal imaging data of my backyard to show the way that shading can be used to decrease heat even on materials that trap heat, such as stone or brick. I took one of the images I created and posterized that image in Photoshop to reduce some of the complexity in the image. And then I took that image into Illustrator and drew 7 different levels of heat and added some texture for visual interest. That art was then exported for Adobe Aero and placed in the scene. Here I am placing the installation in my kitchen. You can displace the layers in space to give the installation some additional depth, which is part of what makes it so engaging. As you can see, proper placement can be a bit tricky. Here's the final result in my backyard space. Hopefully this work will lay the foundation for more data-driven augmented reality artwork installations.